A tidy, organized workplace that provides fast and easy access to tools and components is vital for economical and efficient operation. And this is where the space-saving BOTT Perfo range comes into its own, offering a simple adaptable storage system for tools, small parts and consumables. Perfo panels are robust, hard-wearing, with double folds for rigidity and reinforced fixing points. Additionally, strengthened louver panels provide high-capacity storage using hook-on plastic bins. A combination panel provides both types of storage in one unit. We also supply a comprehensive range of accessories. Perfo, the high-quality flexible storage solution, manufactured in our modern UK plant and backed by a 5-year guarantee.